So, welcome. I'm Anna Lowe. I'm the project manager for Welsh for All, Cymraeg I Bawb. Welcome to this short introduction to our programme. Welsh for All is a programme which offers you the opportunity to improve your language skills while studying at Cardiff University. Our courses are designed to fit around your academic commitments and are free of charge. We now deliver our provision 100% online with tutor-led face-to-face sessions via Zoom and online activities. The programme is hugely popular and continues to attract more and more students from a variety of subjects year on year. Welsh language skills are becoming increasingly important in today's workplace. We offer comprehensive provision from beginner's level to advanced level. Beginners 1 is suitable for those with no previous knowledge of Welsh or very little knowledge of vocabulary and basic patterns. Foundation level is a natural progression from beginners and is suitable for those who may have studied GCSE in the past, but who have forgotten patterns or not used the language for a number of years. Intermediate level roughly corresponds to GCSE level and is suitable for those who have already completed GCSE in Welsh or who have already completed Foundation 1 and 2. Advanced level roughly corresponds to A level in Welsh. It is suitable for those who have completed an A level or have completed Intermediate 1 and 2. In terms of the structure of our courses, we offer 10-week courses. These are taught for 2 hours a week between 5 p.m. and 7 p.m. during the semester. We also offer intensive courses several times a year during January, spring and summer, and the 10-week course will be compressed into one intensive week. Our courses are very popular and registration is on a first-come, first-served basis. In order to enroll, you need to follow a link in your Sims account available for a 2-week period prior to the start of each course. We also encourage you to take part in social activities to improve your Welsh. For example, we run a language cafe, and we will also let you know about other social activities in Cardiff during the year. Welsh for All is a second language programme. There is a separate qualification for first language Welsh speakers. The Welsh Language Skills Certificate, a dystysgrif sgiliau iaith, has been developed by the Welsh Language College, y Coleg Cymraeg Cenedlaethol, to enable first language speakers to evidence their language skills and their ability to work through the medium of Welsh. Os oes diddordeb gyda chi yn y dystysgrif sgiliau iaith, mae croeso i chi e-bostio fi. If you have any questions, any queries, please get in touch. Here's our email. We look forward to hearing from you and we look forward to teaching you. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Thank you.